I say, well, we are there, play a boy in there, too. Yeah, man, stay them crew, driver. Both of them. Working hard in Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I run my thing, you know, at Jamaica, you know. At Jamaica, I'm there, you know. I run my thing, you know. Real life. I'm a black in the place. You won't see shot. Whole of Jamaica, big up the whole of Jamaica. I love Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, I run up front in the place. You don't know, drive and play the record on one here. That's the culture.
Excuse me.
Yeah, love. Yeah. See, I really like where I live in Jamaica, you see me? Documentary, yeah, man, whole of Jamaica built up right now, you see me? Look at my road. Here, Rockwood.
The world's biggest five-a-side football tournament comes to Jamaica for the very first time.
You got the whole of Jamaica, the whole of people working at Jamaica. Then, Lamala, Timothy Price. Let's go watch this at Jamaica. I see the whole of government and watch Ireland. They can't stop.
The winning team will fly to represent Jamaica in the World Finals, where they could get a chance to play against Neymar Jr. and Santos.
I would have
Neymar Jr.'s 5, presented
that will
by
be a policy, though. We're going off with you, know. More time back. Now be a party. Road foot. I watch it up on the body. I walk over the top. I be a tongue of the left. Then be a shot. More time back.